Hello and welcome to the Counterman Education Center. I'm here with Scott. Scott, I need a PCV valve for this car I'm working on out there. And you know, a lot of the younger techs especially ask about PCV. It's a little bit of a confusing system to them, and probably your customers too. What is it you usually tell them?
Well, you know, PCV has been around for a very long time. It was mandated in 1961 by California for their emission standards, and it's really part of the emissions system. It takes unburnt hydrocarbons from the crankcase and ventilates it back through into the carburation system or the fuel injection system so that those hydrocarbons can be burnt. Up until then, the manufacturers just took a tube and stuck it down at the ground, and they were always pointed out, and it was causing all kinds of emissions problems. So now we have what we call positive crankcase ventilation, and it's controlled by that valve, which is typically on a vacuum system, as you know. So I just tell them it's an emissions part, and it's really very important.
For sure, that's cool. It's always nice to know the history. It kind of explains it a little bit. So is that little tube? Sometimes you see a really old car and you see this little puff, puff, puff underneath.
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey Scott, that's great information. Thanks a lot for sharing all that, and thanks for watching.